But anyway, this song was brought to us, and it talks about our loved ones, all of us. You know, we all have loved ones that are in heaven, and this will relate to all of us in here that have people that have already gone on. So we dedicate this to all of them tonight.
Sights and sounds so marvelous, beyond our wildest dreams. At total peace with Jesus, sitting at His feet, as He tells His love for you. And soon I'll be alone. Till then He helps me to be strong. I know who you're with. His hand, then you stepped beyond this life into the promised land, the place where there's no crying, no suffering, no pain, where lift their voice with the song of the redeemed. I know where you are, and I know who you're with. And though I miss you, I can tell you I wouldn't bring you back to this. You're home where you belong, and soon I'll be alone. Till then He helps me to be strong. I know who you're with. You